How can we calculate the proper weight given the height with less than 5 lines of code? And for example, suppose that your height is 183. So in that case, you're going to get an output like this. For example, this one means that you better not be above this weight, and you better not be below this weight, and this is the midpoint of this range. So let's see that. So first of all, let's define a function, and let's name that function proper weight, and we get h, the height of that person in the input. And then first of all, we need to calculate the proper weight, and the formula for calculating the proper weight is this one. W is equal to H2 times BMI. And maybe you ask why, where we are getting this formula. The reason is that the formula for BMI is the weight divided by the height to the power of 2. So from this, we can see that the weight is equal to H to the power of 2 times BMI. So that's why we are using this formula. But remember that in this formula, H must be in meters, not centimeters. So first of all, we want to divide h by 100 because first of all, we want to convert the height from centimeters to meters and then to the power of 2. There you go. And then we multiply that by the BMI. So as you can see, we should multiply H2 by BMI in order to get the weight. But if you want to get the proper weight, you should multiply H2 by the proper BMI. And maybe you ask, okay, what is the proper BMI? Some people, for example, use 21.7, and some other organizations use 22.5. Suppose that I want to stick with this number. So in that case, this is going to give us the proper weight according to this formula. So suppose that the proper BMI is 22.5. But as I've said, some people use 21.7. Anyway, so this is the proper weight, and we want to have a lower bound and also an upper bound as well. So WL, the lower bound is W minus 10 kilograms. 10 kilograms below this proper weight, and WU is the upper bound. So it is W plus 10 kilograms above that proper weight. And in the output of this function, we want to return these 3 values. So first of all, we want to return the round of WL, the lower bound, and we want to round that up to 2 decimal places, and also we want to round W up to 2 decimal places, and also we want to round WU, the upper bound, up to 2 decimal places. So now let's take an example. I want to print the proper weight for someone who is 183 centimeters. So if I run a code, you can see this is the range for that person. It means that person better not be above this weight and not below this weight. And this is the midpoint of this range.